Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Spindle Assembly Set of 3. This Spindle Assembly Set of 3 is compatible with various 50-inch deck lawnmowers from Cub Cadet, Massey Ferguson, MTD, Toro, Troy-Bilt, and Exmark. A few common mowers include the LT1050, I1050, RZT22, ZT50, LT5000, and the GT5025. For a full list of applications this part fits, review the list below or contact us. What a spindle assembly does is it makes sure that your cutting blades are operating as smooth as possible to make sure your grass has the absolute best cut. And if you're hearing grinding noises from your blades or they're spinning a little bit wonky, you may have a problem with your existing spindle assembly. While these replacement spindles are not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as they were designed to be a direct replacement, meant to fit and work exactly like the original. However, these do have a redesigned internal mechanism meant for increased life expectancy. Included with all three spindles are, of course, new mounting bolts and new Zerk grease fittings. Using basic tools, these are something you might be able to replace yourself. However, after you do install and run for the first time, it's recommended that you double check the mounting bolts for fitment to confirm nothing loosened up on you. If you have any questions about this replacement spindle set, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.